today on the King of Everything, we are doing some fun stuff with baking soda and vinegar. We're gonna see if we can blow up a bottle, just play around with it and see what happens. All right, we're gonna pour some baking soda into the bottle.
And then the vinegar and see what happens.
Yep. And we're not going very exact on this, so if you're trying to, find ratios or something, this is not the video for you.
We're just having fun.
Yeah. Okay. We have got the baking soda in the bottle. Not very much.
The sun is in there.
There we go. All right. And now the vinegar. I'm going to set this down so it doesn't,
get
my hand all
Yeah.
vinegary and gross. Move all this stuff so it doesn't ruin everything.
Yeah. And then try to put it on the cap as fast as possible.
First we're doing this.
Put the cap on.
All right, so that is what happens when you mix it together.
It basically fizzes up. Put the cap on and shake it up.
All right.
And then we'll try to blow it
Yeah,
up.
if this doesn't work, see how it starts doing this? It goes up instantly. That means the pressure is building. So now we're just gonna shake it up. Yeah, thanks for the help, cameraman. You're just backing away. Better not.
It's so they can see it better.
Oh, now look at that. Look how hard this is.
Let me feel.
Feel that.
Oh, yeah.
I know you guys can't feel it right now, but this thing's like a rock.
It's pressurized.
All right, now if I throw it, maybe it'll explode.
Throw it.
Woo!
That was cool.
Awesome. Let's see what happened to that bottle.
We should find another bottle and do that again.
Wow, look at that hole on that. Look at that.
It blew
So
it.
if you want to blow up a bottle
Or a can or whatever.
or anything, this is how you do it.
Baking soda, vinegar, and then let's go get another bottle and try it with baking powder.
We're going to go get another bottle. We'll be back to you guys soon.
Action.
All right, so now we're going to got a new bottle. Now we're going to try using baking soda and see if it does the same. Baking powder.
Baking.
To see if it does the same thing.
Yeah, baking powder and vinegar.
Because I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe they're the same stuff. Maybe it's not going to work at all. Maybe it's going to work better. I really don't know.
Put quite a bit in. I think that's pretty good.
That's probably good.
And then shake it up and pressurize it after you
Yep.
put the vinegar in.
All right. Put it right there. And
Oh, yeah.
it does sort of something.
Now, it's kind of. Now I need to see if it pressurizes. See if it blows up like the baking soda.
Oh, it's definitely building up pressure.
Shake it.
Yep, building up pressure.
Might do the same thing. I'm going to stand back a little bit to get a better shot.
All right, yep, slowing up.
Throw it that way.
All right.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh, it's sprung. Hey, it landed.
Oh, you landed it. Epic bottle flip moment. Is it still pressurized?
Look what happened to my bottle.
Is it still pressurized? Oh. Wait.
Yeah, no, lost all of its pressure too. Here,
Well, that did not work. So baking powder does not work with vinegar.
It does make the same fizzing effect. So if you're trying to make a model volcano, it does work. But if you're trying to explode a bottle, go with baking soda. It'll work better.
Yeah, okay, go.
All right, so that is the end of our video. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, hit that little bell.